Maflex is a leading global supplier for the design, construction, installation, and servicing of tissue paper converting lines. Founded in 1997, its manufacturing facilities are located in Lucca, Italy, and Green Bay, Wisconsin, USA, with sales representatives and technical support in all major countries in the world. All Maflex parts are built entirely in Europe and USA. Lucca, with its long history of dedication to the paper industry, is at the core of the Maflex success. This region is the heart of the group's strategy, design, innovation, and production. Maflex Training Department provides training courses to optimize machine performance and long-term converting line efficiency. Maflex Spare Parts Department can satisfy all requests and find the best logistical solution within the required delivery time. Maflex Spare Parts Department offers tailor-made proactive consumable parts packages. Thanks to specialist courier companies and personalized around-the-clock logistical services, Maflex can perform an express delivery throughout the world, quickly restoring the converting line production efficiency. The permanent stock of critical replacement and consumable parts ensures real-time reaction whenever required. By continually investing in research and development, Maflex achieves intelligent and user-friendly solutions, optimizing tissue converting performance and reliability, while reducing operating and maintenance cost for users. Maflex provides dedicated solution to special needs. This is the vision. The modular design of the converting lines can be configured for various performance levels. The simpler version is ideal for less demanding production capacity requirements, while the state-of-the-art top range level is setting new benchmarks in the tissue industry. This modular design guarantees maximum production flexibility, optimum product quality, minimized ownership and operation costs, and maximizes equipment residual future value. Exclusive Hermes line innovations, including the 𝗻𝗁 automatic roll change system, give Maflex the quickest continuous automatic product change in the industry. To date, Maflex boasts a fleet of over 200 units installed and currently in operation. Maflex Service Solutions provide a partnership with customers, resulting in higher efficiency. Maflex technical experts are fully supported by a team of mechanical, electrical, and software design engineers. All support inquiries are recorded and logged so that any ongoing technical issue can be tracked immediately. Technical specialists perform immediate remote diagnostics and alterations, both online and by telephone, and are always available to provide technical advice. Maflex, shaping technology on your goals.